Welcome to the zoo, everyone! Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of the animal kingdom, exploring the remarkable diversity of sounds that echo through this vibrant tapestry of life. From the powerful roars that shake the very ground we walk on, to the subtle chirps that dance upon the breeze, the animal kingdom is alive with a symphony of communication. Get ready to test your knowledge of animal sounds and see if you can guess which zoo animal is making each noise. Listen closely now, as the sounds we are about to hear are not mere noises. They are complex forms of communication, each telling a story if only we know how to listen. Are you ready to embark? Then let us begin our sonic safari and see if you can identify the creatures behind these captivating calls of the wild. Our first sound takes us deep into the heart of the savannah, a sound that echoes with power and majesty, a sound that sends shivers down the spines of all who hear it. Can you hear it? The ground trembles, the air crackles with anticipation. What creature could possibly create such an awe-inspiring sound? Yes, that's right. It's the mighty lion, the king of the savannah. That deep, resonant roar is a sound that demands respect, a sound that speaks of power and dominance. It's a sound that echoes through the ages, a primal call that connects us to the wild heart of our planet. Did you know that a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away? It's a truly remarkable feat of nature, and a testament to the power of these magnificent creatures. Let's move on to our next animal sound. Our next sound takes us to a different habitat, a place where giants roam and the ground trembles with each step. Listen closely, can you hear that? It's a sound that echoes across the savannah, a sound that speaks of family and community. Yes, it's the trumpeting call of the elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth. That long, drawn-out sound is used for communication over long distances, allowing these social animals to stay in contact with each other even when they are miles apart. Elephants are highly intelligent creatures, and their communication is complex and nuanced. They use a variety of sounds, including trumpets, rumbles, and snorts, to communicate a wide range of messages. Let's see what our next animal sound is. Chapter 3. Our next sound takes us high into the canopy, a world of lush greenery and acrobatic feats. Listen closely, can you hear that? It's a chorus of calls, a cacophony of communication. Yes, it's the chattering of monkeys. These playful primates are highly social animals, and their vocalizations are an important part of their communication. They use a variety of calls to express a wide range of emotions, from excitement to alarm. Monkeys are incredibly intelligent animals, and their social interactions are complex and fascinating. They have a rich repertoire of facial expressions, body language, and vocalizations that they use to communicate with each other. What will our next animal sound be? Chapter 4. Our journey takes us now to a world of vibrant colors and extravagant displays. Listen closely, can you hear that? It's a sound that is both beautiful and haunting, a sound that speaks of courtship and display. Yes, it's the call of the peacock. That distinctive sound is made by the male peacock, and it is used to attract females during the mating season. The male peacock's elaborate tail feathers are also part of his courtship display. Peacocks are found in forests and woodlands across India and Sri Lanka. They are omnivores, feeding on a variety of insects, seeds, and fruits. On to our last animal sound. Chapter 5. Our final sound takes us to the edge of the forest as darkness descends and the moon casts long shadows. Listen closely. Can you hear that? It's a sound that sends shivers down your spine, a sound that speaks of the wildness that still exists in our world. Yes, it's the howl of the wolf. That haunting sound is used for communication over long distances, allowing wolves to stay in contact with each other even when they are miles apart. Wolves are highly social animals, and they live in packs that can range in size from just a few individuals to over a dozen. They are skilled hunters, and they work together to bring down prey much larger than themselves. That concludes our sonic safari for today. outro. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through the captivating world of animal sounds. I hope you had as much fun guessing the creatures as I did, showcasing their amazing vocalizations. Remember, each sound tells a story, a glimpse into the complex lives of these incredible animals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.